What's up my stylish people, this is Shashank. Welcome back to the channel, the best place for shopping hauls, outfit inspirations, shopping and styling tips for men. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about the 5 best budget fashion tips for men that can not only save your money but can make you look stylish as well. Let's get one thing out of the equation first. Don't cheap out on 3 things. 1. Basic color shoes like white shoes. 2nd, your blue or black jeans. 3rd, blue or black or any solid color denim jacket. So coming to the tip number 1, tailoring your clothes. This is the most important of all and sadly most neglected by most of our guys. A good fitting clothing can elevate your handsomeness and looks by multifold. A simple tip when you're on budget would be buy any piece of clothing, granted it's of presentable quality, without any big or bold brand names on it, and then tailor them with little extra money to make them fit you the best, which gives you that look of an expensive clothing which probably don't even fit that great off the rack. This is the easiest way of saving so much money by simply recreating the looks from big brands, as most of the brands entice you to pay the extra money by making their pieces fit you well off the rack. The tip number 2, prefer online shopping than the offline shopping to buy versatile pieces, because when it comes to solid color shirts or maybe t-shirts, target the pieces from the previous season, but the problem with the offline stores is that none of the previous season pieces are going to be available post the previous season sale. But in online you can get this as low as 60 to 70% off. But please don't buy any of the pieces which are more than 2 seasons old and preferably 1 season old, because you may end up buying a clothing piece which has lost more than half of its shelf life or durability. Moving on to the tip number 3 for this video, prefer fast fashion brands which are affordable. Brands like Westside, Orcooves or Agio that produce presentable quality, or in some cases similar quality, while still keeping up with the fast fashion trends of brands like Zara and H&M. Most of the times I prefer buying fast fashion pieces or statement pieces from these brands, as they don't hurt your wallet while still leaving you in the trend bandwagon. Moving on to the tip number 4, target the sale times for buying off-season pieces. This is a great tip which will help you save thousands of rupees, and I follow this a lot, albeit with one condition while doing it. Select the pieces which are not related to the specific season or which do not serve the purpose for that season. For example, most of the times you may see a denim jacket or a bomber jacket during summer season for almost 60 to 70% off, just because it's an off-season piece, and most of the people are not going to buy that. Just be smart during that time and think about it as an investment and buy those pieces. However, make sure that you buy only versatile pieces that will not look out of trend going forward to the next season. I also buy linen trousers from Zara in particular when they're on sale during winter season. That not only benefits me in paying just half of the money or half of the price, but also not going out of style, as they release the same piece immediately after a month for the next season with small minor tweaks. Moving on to the tip number 5 for this video, DIY the jeans or trousers either as a torn or a distressed piece as a short. Don't throw it away guys, your old clothing, once they are not as good and fresh as new to wear outside for you. Just a simple tip would be watch any of the multiple DIY tutorials on YouTube and you will be able to closely recreate the knee slit drop jeans which brands like Zara charge you almost 2,800 for the basic versions. Make your chinos as short so that you can wear at home by just hemming the pants to the length above your knees, and just a small single pin roll fold gives you that vibe you get with the shorts. Also, wear the costly t-shirts at home which are now not as good as new to wear for a casual outings in general. Also, just wear them under your jackets or when you are layering with a flannel, or just wear them when you are at home, as I told before, rather than buying separate night wear. Moving on to the tip number 6, do not wash your clothes often. In specific, few pieces such as denims and trousers, few of the fabrics such as denims are not supposed to be washed on a daily basis. You can wear them multiple times before throwing for a wash, but this is subjective on a use case basis. However, please follow the machine washing instructions for the clothing pieces mentioned inside the label before throwing them for a wash. Also, do not dry them under the harsh sunlight, which may lead to fading of the color. But in case if you need to dry them inside out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you click that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. See you guys in the next video.